Увага! Увага! Повітряна тривога!
Просимо негайно пройти в найближче укриття.
Повітряна тривога! Просимо негайно пройти на найближче укриття.
Hi, my name is Timothy Brick. I'm rector at the Kyiv School of Economics. Welcome to Global Minds for Ukraine. KSE is a group of companies. We are a university, business school, a research institution, and a charitable foundation. From the very beginning of the Russian invasion, we have been helping to Ukrainian citizens and Ukrainian government. We collected almost $40 million in donations to help to Ukraine, and we organized massive research of Ukrainian damages and sanctions towards Russia. As a university, we've been working to support displaced Ukrainian students all over the world and to raise awareness about what is happening in Ukraine. That is why we started this project, Global Minds for Ukraine. Our main goal is to invite international intellectuals to spread knowledge and to share their scientific achievements to our students, because we want to continue education and research during the war. We also want to raise awareness about Ukraine and our resilience. From the very beginning of the invasion, over the past 9 months, we were honored to host world-leading intellectuals and scholars. We invited Esther Duflo and Paul Krugman, both Nobel winners. We invited Nassim Taleb, a famous author, and leading historians like Timothy Snyder. We also had Anna Applebaum and many others, researchers and authors who speak about Ukraine and beyond. Yet, we don't want to stop here. We believe it is important to raise tough questions and to discuss most pressing issues in the world today. That's why we are going to invite even more international scholars and researchers to discuss nuclear energy, to discuss global trade, the risks of inflation, global inequalities, and authoritarian regimes worldwide. That's why we are going to start our next season and invite even more international scholars to discuss these issues. And our students will be leading this process. Please subscribe, like, and follow our videos and support Ukraine.